How to fix File Explorer Preview not working. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the File Explorer Preview not working problem on your Windows PC. If your file previews, like PDFs or images, aren't showing up anymore, just follow along step by step and we'll get it working again. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Windows search bar and type PowerShell. When it appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now, we're going to find your Downloads folder name. Copy the first command from the description below and paste it into PowerShell, then hit Enter. Once you've got your folder name, copy the second command, also in the description, and paste it in to unblock your previously downloaded PDF files. Make sure you replace the folder name in the code with your actual Downloads folder name. When you're done, just close PowerShell. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type Regedit, then click OK to open the Registry Editor. Now we need to navigate through a few folders. Follow this path carefully. HKE_current_user, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies. Once you're in the Policies folder, right-click on the white area on the right, select New, and then click Key. Rename this new key to Attachments. Now click on Attachments, right-click again on the white space, and choose New, DWORD, 32-bit value. Name it Save Zone Information. Right-click that new DWORD, select Modify, and change the value data to 1. Then hit OK to save it. That's it. You can now close the Registry Editor. Go back to File Explorer and check your preview pane. Your file previews should be working again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and fixes.